Time now for a WeLearn update, a look at how teachers and students are using technology in the classroom. I'm Nick Voll. The technology levy, to be decided on by Vancouver voters on February 12th, puts modern technology in the hands of students. The story we're sharing with you today is about code. It's all around us. Whatever device you're watching this on right now is using code to bring it to you, and there are a million other examples. In special education classes, coding is used to not only teach kids about technology, but also logic, organization, and other important life skills. Students in Kim Brown's special education classroom at Philida Elementary are very focused. They're logged into code.org, a program that lets beginners learn how to do computer coding. Right now, they're figuring out how to program robots.
They kind of like when they get out of control and they go crazy, and then they have to figure out how to get them back.
It's a bit of a puzzle.
There's so much problem solving that is so critical to their life, which is why we do it, and a lot of self-taught learning, which is another thing that these kids are going to use a lot in their life.
Many students in Ms. Brown's class are working on controlling their emotions.
So the kids who get frustrated when the robot won't move, or frustrated because they can't solve the coding problem, they start to use those regulation tools instead of having big reactions that are not really appropriate for social settings.
Megan Williams is an instructional technology facilitator for the district. Her job is to help teachers incorporate technology into lessons. She brought the program to Philida and 7 other buildings after getting a grant from the state superintendent's office and the Foundation for Vancouver Public Schools.
The idea behind it is to give access to computer science to less represented populations of students in STEM.
STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. This software is drag and drop, so kids can learn the logic of coding without having to memorize programming languages. It also lets them learn from their mistakes.
So it says, okay, something's not quite right. So now I can reattach everything and I can reset it and push run and see what happens.
A former special ed teacher herself, Megan views this program as a way to boost students' self-esteem and perseverance.
Accessing a puzzle, getting a robot to do what you want it to do, all of those little wins along the way, boost them throughout the rest of the day.
Ms. Brown has also seen the effects of all those little wins.
They've also brought it into their gen ed classes, which is really cool, to teach other kids how to use it. So outside of school, the confidence, the problem solving skills, just the technology piece has been really powerful for them.
The initial grant will end at the close of this school year, but thanks to the Foundation for Vancouver Public Schools, the materials for this program will continue for another year before being reevaluated. And if you want to see more stories about classroom technology and how it's shaping learning in Vancouver Public Schools, check out the district YouTube page, youtube.com/VanSDTV. Just look up the WeLearn playlist. And while you're on social media, why not connect with Vancouver Public Schools? We are on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. Until next time, I'm Nick Voll.